Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Mahdi English School. Myself, Nilofer Miss, and my subject is Mathematics. So students, I hope that you all are ready to attend the online lecture. So students, do you enjoy really to online session because you are not coming to school from so many long time due to lockdown and the today's situation. So we are doing our study, we continue our study online. I try to solve all your doubts because you are not meet, we cannot in front of us, I am not in front of you and you are not in front of me. So we cannot conversation, the conversation is not there between us. So I try to solve all the doubts of you that I can cover into the videos. So it will be a very good thing if you understood each and everything and you are doing very well, you are performing very well into the exams. I'll check your paper and that is excellent. Internal exam marks is also a good marks. I hope you are doing all the exams. You are giving all the exams. The exams are given by you is very well. So if you are watching video, then and only then you can give the right answers. So I can assume that you all are watching all the videos, you are doing all the worksheets, you are doing all the fair books very well. Till the chapter we are reaching chapter number 9. So then and only then you can perform very well. So please continue these things because school will not open soon. So we are continue our study this way with the help of videos, online sessions. So students, now we are continue the chapter number 9. Shapes and patterns are there. So from these two topics of this chapter, first one is the shapes and second one is the pattern. So from these two topics we are taking the first topic, which is the shapes. After completing the shapes we can move to the pattern, but first of all we are taking the shapes one. And so many things we cover from the shapes, so many things you are knowing about the shapes. And question number 1 to 3 also we are completing of the exercise 9A about shapes. Now I have one quote for you students, that every child is an artist. What do you mean by artist? That some speciality in the every child is there. That speciality is hide in the inside of the students. It means each and every child has their own speciality. So you have to find in your inner side that which speciality you have, student. Some are good in painting, some are good in singing, some good are in mathematics, some good are in English, some good are in science. So each and every child has their own speciality inside them. But you have to find out. The thing is that you are not finding it out that which speciality you have. That is the main thing. So you have to find it out, and this is very deep quote, students. Now this is very deep quote, students, if you understood this. Now let's continue the exercise 9A question number 3. So students, this exercise question number 3 we had already done in the previous lecture. But as you know, we always do revision first in the today's online lecture. In the present lecture we had done all the revisions in the today's lecture. So this exercise we had done in the past in the yesterday's lecture. So today also we do revision of this exercise question number 3. So let's start revision of it. So the question is, cross the odd one out. This is the question. So the three questions are there. Question number A, B and C. In the number A, three shapes are given. So from the given shape, we have to decide that which shape is an odd one. Two shapes have similarities and the one have something which makes it odd. So students, we have to find out that which shape is an odd one. We have to find out from the question number A, B and C. So let's take number A first. Three shapes is given. First one is an open shape and it has the curved lines. Second shape is a totally closed shape but it have curved lines. So there are one similarities between these two shapes, which is curved line. These two shapes are opposite, which first one is an open shape, second one is a closed shape. But one similarities are there, which is the closed shape. And the third one is just a simple straight line. You can call it a slanting line. This one is the odd one. I can say my answer. This one is a odd shape, different shape from the given shapes, and I am not putting cross on it. I am just putting circle because we can see the shape properly. So I put a circle on the different shape. As per my thinking, this shape and this is the answer, that odd one out from the given shape. This one is an odd shape. Now let's take number B here. So here three shapes are given to us. First one is a closed shape with the curved lines. What? First shape is a totally closed shape with the curved lines. Second shape is also a curved shape with the closed one. All the lines are connected to each other and this shape is a totally closed one. Then the next shape is totally based on the curved line, but some lines are not connecting to each other. Some lines are open. So because these lines are not connected to each other, that third one shape is an odd one. These shapes are totally different from the given shapes. So my answer is the third shape. Now let's move to the number C. So here students, three lines are given to us. First two lines are the slanting lines, but it is a straight lines. Second one, these are two lines, but these lines are the curved lines. And the next lines are straight lines, which is sleeping lines. So slanting line and sleeping line have similarities, which is the straight lines. And the second one, which is an odd line, I can say it, because these lines are totally curved and that two given lines are straight and this only lines which is curved line. That's why my answer is the second one, middle one. These lines are different from the given lines. So my answer is second one. I am just giving you the answer with the reason also why I am choosing this answer as a different, as an odd one. So your topic is very clear, that why I am choosing this one as an answer. Now the next one, question number 9A, exercise 9A, question number 4. So let's read the heading first, and I can say something about this exercise, that we already done this exercise in the yesterday's lecture, in the previous lecture, but we are doing revision right now of this question here. So what is the heading? That the heading is draw and make an odd one out question of your own. What it means, that we had learned in the question number 3 that some shapes are given and we have to find which one is an odd one shape or something else, right? So in this question we have to make the shapes by our own. We have to draw the shapes given by us, and we have to find out which one is a different thing. So I have an answer for this, that here is the chart you can see in the picture. So we have to find out, there are 3 rows are given and each row has 3 shapes are there, and we have to find out each and every row which one is an odd shape or different shape with the reason. I will share you the reason also with the answer, that why I choose this answer, what is the reason to choosing this answer. So let's take the first row. Here is a cube is given, triangle is given, or square are there. 3 shapes are given in the first row. So which shape is a different one, which shape is an odd one? You have to decide that which one is an odd one. So my answer is, students, triangle. Why my answer is a triangle? Because triangle has 2 sides. Why I am choosing this? Because triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. 3 sides triangle have. Another 2 shapes is a square shape. First square shape is a 3D square and the second one is a square which is 2D square. In the 3D shape you can see the back side of the square, and in the 2D shape you cannot see the back side of the square. But if you compare this, both are the squares and both have 4 sides compared to the triangle, and triangle has only 3 sides. That's why we are choosing triangle. I hope that is the enough reason to select the triangle as an odd shape. Now let's move to the second row. So here is 3 shapes are given. First one is the rectangle, second one is a square, and third one is a semicircle. You can call it a half circle also. So students, which is the answer and why? The main question is why. So here, do you think which one is the right answer? Have you any idea? So my answer is a semicircle. This shape is an odd shape. This shape is different from the given 2 shapes. Now why? I give my reason. So the first one is the rectangle shape. Rectangle shape has 4 lines. Then the next one is a square shape. Square shape also have 4 sides. Next one is a semicircle which we select as a odd shape. So semicircle have curved lines and just one sleeping line. And compared to the rectangle and square, that both have sides and 4 sides compared to the semicircle or half circle. It have curved lines. That's why I choose that shape as an odd one. That's why I put circle on the semicircle. So now let's move to the third row. Here is the cone shape, cube shape and a sphere shape. It means a circle shape. So students, which one is an odd shapes? 3 shapes are given to us. We have to choose an odd shape from these 3 shapes. So my answer is a cube. That shape is different to the other given shapes. Why? So the first shape is a cone shape. It has curved lines, curved shape. It has 2 sides. That cone shape have 2 sides. Square, it is a cube, but you can call it a square also. So the square has 4 sides, and last one is a square or sphere, which is totally made with the curved lines. No any sides are there. So my answer is a cube, because the cube is totally different from the given shapes. That's why my answer is a cube. Now I have one more worksheet for you for the odd one out. That is very important for you students. 5 shapes are given in the first row. What? 5 shapes are given in the first row. We have to find out which shape is an odd one. So here is a square, square, triangle, circle and circle. So students, 4 shapes are circle and 1 is a triangle. So do you think which one is a odd one? An odd one. Which shape is an odd one? Which shape is a different one? Which shape? So students, I just give odd one shape. My answer is triangle. I give circle to the triangle. 4 shapes is a same shape. All the shapes are circle and 1 is a triangle. That's why this is an odd shape. This is a different shape. I am choosing a triangle because the given shape 4 are the same one. Next one, let's move to the second row, which is a rectangle, 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 rectangle and rectangle. Total there are 5 shapes are given and all are rectangles. So how we can choose which one is a different? All the shapes are same, but we have to choose by size. In this we are going by size. 4 shapes are same in a size and 1 is a small in a size. You can see this one, which on I put the circle. This rectangle shape is small compared to others. Other 4 rectangle is the same in a size and this rectangle is small compared to that rectangles. That's why I put circle on this rectangle. Now the next one, the third row. All the shapes are, 4 shapes are square. Here is a square. Here is also a square. Here is also a square, square and rectangle. So from the given 5 shapes, 4 are squares and 1 is a rectangle. So which one is an odd one? Which shape is a different shape? Do you think about it? So my answer is a rectangle. Rectangle is the different shapes because given 4 shapes are square. Same squares are there and 1 is a rectangle. So students, this one is a rectangle and this one is a different shape from the given. Now let's move to the 4th row. First one is complete, second one complete, third one is also a complete. So let's move to the 4th row. All the shapes are star shape. The given 5 shapes is all are star shapes, same in size. But one star you can see here is filled with color. This star is in grey color. Other stars are empty, without any color. And the first star is with color, filled with a grey color. So I can say this star is different from the other stars because other stars are empty and blank without any color. Other stars in a white color, and this star we are choosing as a different one. This is filled with color which is grey. So that's why I put circle on the first star which is grey in color, and other 4 stars are white. It means the blank without any color. So let's move to the number 5. All the shapes are circle. Given 5 shapes are circle, but let me see something different in the one shape. So here is circle and closed shape. Second one is a circle and closed shape. Third one is a circle and the closed shape. Fourth one is a circle, but that is not properly closed circle. This circle is open shape. Then the last circle is a closed one. So from the given 5 circle, second last is an open circle. So that's why we can call it that circle is an open shape and that one is an odd one. We can call it this is the different one. Now the next one or the last one, there is a square or inside it a small square. There is a square and inside it a small circle. So these types of 5 shapes are there. there is a square or inside it a circle. 4 shapes are same, but the second one is a square or also inside it a square. So this one is a totally different from the other given 4 shapes. We can call it this shape is a different shapes from the given shapes. Now I have one more worksheet for you, which is the odd one out worksheet. So students, 4 pictures are there. We have to choose a odd one out, odd things. So first one, here you can see a red circle. I'll moving it around the pictures. 3 pictures are same, ball, ball and ball. One is a honeybee. So you can see these 3 pictures are same and one is a different, which is honeybee. So on which we have to put circle? We have to put circle on honeybee. That is the simple thing, because from the given 4 pictures, these 3 are same pictures, which is ball, and one is a honeybee. So from the given picture, honeybee is a different one, is an odd one, or other 3 pictures are same. I hope you understood this. Let's move to the second one. All the pictures are, 3 pictures are balloons, orange balloons. 3 balloons are there and one is a pencil. So 3 pictures are same, which is orange balloons, and one is a yellow pencil. So we can call it yellow pencil is a different one. I hope you understood this. Then the next shape is a strawberry. 3 pictures of a strawberry are there and one picture is a boy with a cycle, tricycle. 3 pictures of a strawberry are there and one picture of a boy with tricycle are there. So which shape is an odd one? So here the boy is an odd one here. So we have to put circle on a boy with the tricycle, you can see. Now the last one, there are 3 caps are there and one is a cabbage. So cap we can wear or cabbage we can eat. So which one is a different one? 3 caps are there and 1 cabbage are there. So 3 caps are same compared to the cabbage. So cabbage is an odd one thing. So we have to put circle on the cabbage. You can see I put circle on the cabbage here. That one is a very interesting thing. You can easily find out which thing is an odd one from the given things. Now the question number 5 of this exercise and also the last question of this exercise 9A. After completing the question number 5, our exercise 9A is complete. I repeat my sentence that after completing the question number 5, this question you can see on the screen. This question is in front of you students right now. After completing this question number 5, our exercise 9A will be complete. So we can move to the patterns. But therefore, we have to focus on this question number 5 right now. That what is the heading? Which Mahdi design has? This is the common question for these 3 questions. Which Mahdi design has? Only straight lines, only curved lines, or both lines straight and curved? So 3 Mahdi design is given to you. You can see in the screen there is number A Mahdi design number B and Mahdi design number C are there in front of you students. You have to decide that which Mahdi design has only straight lines, which Mahdi design has only curved lines, and which Mahdi design has both straight and curved line. You have to divide this ABC and you have to write answer in this given space. You have to think about it. Mahdi design is in front of you on the screen. You have to decide that which Mahdi design has only straight lines. Girls are very good in this Mahdi designs. Boys, you also have to think about it, that which design has which lines. Lines are we have to choose. Mahdi is not a main thing for us. Main topic is the straight lines or curved lines. You have to find out which one is a straight line Mahdi, curved line Mahdi, and both the lines are in the Mahdi design. You have to think about it. So, I hope there is enough time to find out this thing, because there is 3 hands are given and only 3 questions are there. So nothing difficult in this, I think about it. There is nothing hard in this to find out that which one has the straight lines, which one has a curved lines, and which one has only straight and curved lines. Both lines have that. So in the number A, my answer is that in the number A, only straight lines are there. If you observe number A, Mahdi design number A, only straight lines are there. Whatever it is, a slanting or sleeping or standing, but line must be a straight. So in the Mahdi design number A, only straight lines are there. You can find out only straight lines are there. So in the number B, curved lines. So 2 options we have now for the curved lines. Which one have curved lines? Now you can easily find out which Mahdi design have only curved lines. So my answer is B, that this design number B has only curved lines are there. You can see curved designs made in this hand. So in the number C, you know the answer now. Only C is remain. So in the hand number C, in the Mahdi design number C, you can find out here is the curved lines is there and here is straight lines are there. Both lines are there in the hand. Both lines is included in number C. Hand number C have both the lines straight and curved. So now you can observe that which Mahdi design has only straight lines. So the answer is A. You can find out only straight lines are there in Mahdi design A. Number B, only curved lines. So in the Mahdi design number B, hand B has only curved lines are there in this hand, and in the number C, both straight and curved lines are there in the hand C. Curved lines and straight line is there in the hand. Both lines are included in the number C. So my dear students, here the exercise 9A and question number 1 to 5 is complete here. Till the question number 5 of the exercise 9A, you have to write down into the fair book. Your fair book must be a complete, and I request to you all that write down all the worksheets also into the fair book. That is very important for you for the exam preparation, because we are totally doing our study online. So if you have that much material, so you will be easily able to give answer of the questions which will ask in the exam. So write down worksheet and this exercise into the fair book. That will helpful to you in the exam to solve the answers. So now students, this is the worksheet here, which is the straight line. Here is a honey. Honey bee wants to reach to honey. You have to make a straight line that honey can reach to the honey, honey bee can reach to the honey. Then here is a cow wants to reach to the milk. So you have to use the scale, and cow wants to reach to the milk. Then the hen wants to go to the egg. So you have to give straight line so hen can reach to the egg. Then the next one is a mouse wants to reach to the cheese. You have to give straight line so mouse can reach to the cheese. Then cloud wants to reach to the rain. So give a straight line, then cloud can easily reach to the rain. Then the tree is there. Tree wants to reach to the leaves. So give a way to tree to reach to the leaves. And last one is a ball. Ball wants to reach to the bat. So we can play cricket. So this worksheet you have to complete into the fair book. Now, thank you so much students for watching this video. We'll meet in the next lecture with the new topic. Just complete your work in the fair book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.